back, YouTube family. This is Hero Racing, back in another video just for all of y'all, aka Sub-Zero. I just want to do this video to show you guys a comparison between my Chevy Corvette and my Subaru WRX on the track at Big Willow Springs. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to do this kind of a comparison, how I feel about both cars, the times for both cars. You know, I've only tracked my Subaru one time, I've only tracked my Corvette one time, but as far as my experience, giving you guys exactly what it was like to be in the cars, what times I got, and just overall my comparisons of the two. These are my two vehicles. I know I have a lot of Subaru enthusiasts and fans on my channel, and I have a growing group of Corvette enthusiasts. I thought I'd show kind of some love and just show a comparison between the two. If y'all like the video, hit the like button. If y'all follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. We are almost at 15,000. Almost at 15,000 subscribers. How awesome is that, man? I know a bunch of you guys have been rocking with me from 100 subscribers, 200, 300, 1,000. So, man, we are almost there. We're only 200 away. So go ahead and subscribe if you're watching this video. Hit the notification bell. And like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality and be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes and we all can be a hero ourselves. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Peace. Now really quick, y'all, the video content of this opening sequence is from Motor Trend. Just want to give them credit for this video, but I thought it was kind of cool how they went about, did their videos, loved their content, and just want to show you all the two cars I have. So I do have a 2019 Chevy Corvette Z06 with the Z07 package. It is the manual 7. I'm going to put a link down below in the description to let you guys know exactly all of the mods that my Corvette does have. It has much more mods than what is seen on this Corvette below, so go ahead, like I said, check out the description below for all of the mods. And also, I'm going to be showing this clip. This is a Subaru WRX STI. I do have a Subaru WRX, but it is fully built as far as suspension, as far as tuning, as far as a lot of components done to it, even wider wheels, wider tires. My Corvette Z06, and the bottom is my Subaru WRX. It's going to be started at the exact same time. I have a timer going. So right off the top, the Corvette on the top, I was able to get about 150 miles an hour on the straight, while as the Subaru was only about 120. So as you can see already, I'm able to make up so much more ground by having much more speed into turn 1 and turn 2. On the turn 2 stretch right here in my Corvette, I'm averaging around 95 miles per hour, while in the Subaru, I think I was only around 85 miles per hour. So I definitely made up much more time in the Corvette, and I can definitely go faster. This car can definitely go 100 on that. As you can see, through section 1, I was getting to about 30 seconds up until turn 3, but as in the Subaru, you can see I'm about 38 seconds. But man, it's it's crazy. Like watching the videos back to back like this, you can just completely see how power just completely takes over here on the downturn from turns 4 into 5, and then you can just definitely see on the Subaru side, just the lacking power didn't help me. Now these were the fastest recorded videos I have of both cars on the lap. That day I did record at 131 in my Corvette, but I didn't have it videoed. But there's a huge difference in terms of just the speed I'm able to carry through these turns. I'm definitely at around 130 right here in the Corvette. I can go much faster, like just even watching this, you know, it's my first time in the car, but I can definitely go faster. As far as this right here, I'm going to break down in the third time we watch the video of what I can definitely do better. Overall, as a first kind of commentary on this, you can definitely see the difference between the Corvette as far as the power and the suspension and the confidence it gives me compared to the Subaru. Now really quick, shout out to my man Supersonic, who's in front of me. His Instagram is at super_sonic_1le_, who's in an awesome built Camaro that was going up against. Alright, so what we're going to do is make the focus on the Corvette, because this is going to be my track car. So I really want to break down where I see myself and where I can get much faster. So the Corvette, great speed going into turn 1, but I over brake. And you see how I lost a lot of momentum? You do have to brake, but that momentum made me have to try and catch it back up. I can definitely take turn 1 much faster. The entry into turn 2 was great, but I can push it. Right here, I'm safe. I'm in a safe 93, 94, 95, but I could have definitely pushed it to 100. And just those two things right there was definitely a second off the time alone. Coming into turn 3, I turned too early right here. Should have waited a second. You see how I went in but then had a wide exit? That's a half second right there. Coming through to turn 4 to turn 5. Right here, I paused. I could have just kept gassing it. Gotta be more confident in the car. So that's 2 seconds alone. I'm catching just off of just tape alone. Right here, shouldn't have turned in too fast and could have kept accelerating. Could have had a much better, faster line right there. But overall, still pretty well. Could have turned in a little bit earlier, a little bit sooner, been a little bit tighter. So I could have definitely just taken this turn much better, not be as wide sooner. I would have been tighter then wider right here. So because of that, I'm already wide going too soon. So you see this is a wide exit. I should have been much tighter on that. So overall, I definitely, that's 4 seconds right there. And on the front straight, I was able to make up some time, but I could have had another second faster if I got the entry and the exit better on that. So that's 5 seconds right there. So I'd see at least 127 capable time of my talent skill for the car. But overall, I'm really proud and excited of just how I was able to handle the car, handle both Subaru and Corvettes. They're completely different platforms. And just overall, just my growth as a driver. I'm really excited for what I have coming next. And just want to say thank you guys for just checking out the channel. This is a much different kind of channel. This is a much different kind of video than, you know, just your typical installs or mods or everything. You know, I really want to be able to break down and help just myself grow. I know a lot of you guys are interested in getting the track racing as well. So if any of you are in Southern California and would love to go to the track and just kind of have someone as a partner to go to, definitely hit me up. Instagram at @HeroRacing_. My Subaru is for sale still. It is still for sale. So hit me up on Instagram as well. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Remember, y'all, like I always keep saying, go after your dreams and make them reality and be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes and we all can be a hero in this world. Everyone have a great day. Peace.